Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to allow the Zangi app to access contacts on your Android phone. This video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, locate the Zangi app on your Android phone. Next, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then, select the option labeled App Info from the menu. This will take you to the App Details page. After that, look for the Permissions section and tap on it. You will see a list of permissions that the app has requested. Next, find the Contacts option and click on it. You will then see choices for allowing or denying access. Finally, select Allow to give Zangi permission to access your contacts. This ensures that you can sync your contacts and use all features of the app smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.